So, Daryl, very sad news. Just now I came from outside and I saw this lemon that she's staying quiet and she's unable to move in the cage. And she has laid one egg, fresh egg today. Yesterday she laid another egg, and there are two eggs she laid down. You can see that, and continuously she's laying two eggs, and today is the third day, and there should be gap of 24 hours laying another egg, but in 48 hours she has laid two eggs, and today is the third egg she's gonna lay. You see, she's very much lethargic and she's very dull because another egg is stuck in her oviduct. That's egg binding. Very sad. It's very critical condition now. So this is a medicine for pain relief, and there's a calcium medicine. Who is let's see how much this is gonna help. And I've started the necessary treatment. Oh my God, let this will be fine. Yeah. I have applied the lubricant over here. You can see it's very clear. It's very clear. You can easily see that. Sorry, phone fell down. You can see that there is a swelling on the abdomen. You can see that it's clear egg. Clear egg is stuck. You see this yellow? And it's an egg. And it's very big. She is unable to expel the egg. So I've applied lubricant here. She's unable to poop also. So I'm gonna give medicine which is gonna give a relief from the pain. Oh my God. She's very much lethargic because of that egg binding. And I can feel she has not eaten since evening, I think. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, I have to give her medicine. Oh my God. This is so sad. I'm just gonna stop the phone now. I'm gonna give the medicine now because yeah, not very much we can do. This is very critical condition.